Most mechanisms of homeostasis depend on a principle called negative feedback, a form of regulation in which the results of a process inhibit that same process. Less commonly, organisms use positive feedback, in which the results of a process intensify that same process. An example of negative feedback is the regulation of blood sugar, primarily glucose levels. After an animal has eaten, blood glucose levels rise. Cells in the pancreas, a digestive accessory organ, sense the increase and release the hormone insulin in response. Insulin causes blood glucose levels to decrease, which in turn shuts off insulin production, completing the negative feedback loop. When an animal has not eaten, blood glucose levels also decrease. This decrease in blood glucose level is sensed by another type of cell in the pancreas, which releases the hormone glucagon. Glucagon causes the breakdown of glycogen to glucose, which is then released into the blood. This rise in blood glucose inhibits the further production of glycogen. These are both negative feedback loops, as the response is to reverse the original stimulus, changing glucose levels, to ensure a certain amount of glucose, the set point, is maintained in the blood. There are many other negative feedback mechanisms used to maintain homeostasis of a variety of internal conditions, including blood pressure, electrolyte balance, fluid volume, and oxygen levels. An example of positive feedback is a blood clotting pathway. When an animal experiences an injury, the blood will clot at the site of injury. Clotting begins when the tissue lining a blood vessel is damaged. Almost immediately, platelets stick to the damaged site to seal the minor break. In addition, platelets release chemicals known as clotting factors that attract more platelets to the injured site. This positive feedback helps speed up the rate of wound healing. This pathway is so important that conditions such as hemophilia, in which affected individuals fail to produce certain clotting factors, can be life-threatening.